ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः। प्रथमः पादः। समर्थः पदविधिः। सुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
सुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
प्राक्कडारात् समासः।
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
सह सुपा अव्ययी भावः।
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययं विभक्तिसमीपसमृद्धिर्ध्यर्थाभावात्यया सम्प्रतिशब्दप्रादुर्भावपश्चादितानुपूर्वयोगपद्यसादृश्य सम्पत्तिसाकल्यान्तवचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि व्यवहार संप्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चात् यथानुपूर्व योगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यान्त वचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये यावदवधारणे सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणाम विभाषा
विभाषा
अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
आङ्मर्यादाभिविद्योः
आङ्मर्यादाभिविद्योः
लक्षणेनाभिप्रती आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्समया
यस्य चायामः
यस्य चायामः
तिष्ठद्गु प्रभृतीनि च
तिष्ठद्गु प्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
सङ्ख्यावंश्येन
संख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
तृतीया श्रुतातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाश्रुतातीतपतितगतात्यप्तप्राप्तपन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
स्वयं तेन
खट्वाक्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
सामी
साम्ये
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
पक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येण मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्तकृच्छ्रानिक्तेन
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्तकृच्छ्राणिक्तेन
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
त्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
ध्वांशेन क्षेपे
कृत्यैर्णे
कृत्यैर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैक सर्वचरत् पुराण
पुराण
नव केवला समाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक् संख्ये संज्ञायाम्
तद्दिता तद्दितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
संख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
विशेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमध्यगण्यसमानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमजगन्य समान मध्य मध्यम वीरश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण आद्य दयः कृतादिभिः
तेन नञ् विशिष्टानेनाञ्
तेन नञ् विशिष्टेनाञ्
तेन तेन नञ् विशिष्टेनानञ्
तेन नञ् विशिष्टेनानञ्
तेन नञ् विशिष्टेनानञ् yes. शिष्टेन अनञ् सन्महत् परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्महत् परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमौ जातिपरिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमौ जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं क्षेपे
कोटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयघृष्टिधेर्वशावेग पष्कयनी प्रवक्तृश्रोत्रियाध्यापकधूर्दैर्जातिः
कोटा युवतिस्तोक कतिपय दृष्टिदेनु वशावेहद्कयनी प्रवक्तृक्षोत्रियाध्यापक धूर्तैर्जातिः
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
युवा खलति फलितवलिनजरतीभिः
युवा कलति फलितबलिन जरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
प्रथमः पादः
प्रथमः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदेशि नैकाशिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यान्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यान्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमाणिना
कालाः परिमाणिना
नञ्
नञ्च
ईषदकृता
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
न निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसुखितार्थसदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
पूर्ण गुण सुहितार्थ सदव्ययतव्य समानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजाय
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
ऋजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
From the first sutra up to this sutra, it's all except few sutra in the beginning, all deal with Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. From the first sutra onwards, we can take up to this sutra. We are going to see that all deal with Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa in the second pada. All the other Tatpurusha are in the first pada. And from 10th sutra up to Kartaricha, negation of Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa, where Shashti Tatpurusha will not happen. That is how the arrangement is. Nityam Krida Jivikayoh.
नित्यं क्रीडा जीविकयोः
Kugati Pradayah.
कुगति प्रादयः
This is a sutra by which we have Pradi Tatpurusha Samasaha. Upavadamating.
उपपदमतिं
This is Upapada Samasa. Upapadam Ating. Amaiva Vyayena.
अमैवाव्ययेन
Tritiya Prabhrithinyanyatarasyam.
तृतीया प्रवृत्तिन्यन्यतरस्यां
Tvacha.
त्वाच
From here to 28, Bhaguvrihi Samasa. Shesho Bhaguvrihi.
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
Anekamanya Padharte.
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
Anya Padharte. Therefore, Bhaguvrihi Samasa. Sankhya Vyaya Sannadhuradika Sankhya Sankhye.
संख्यायाधिकसंख्याः संख्येये
Dingnamanyanytarale.
दिङ्नामान्यतराले अन्तराले
Dingnaman So दिङ्नामान् यन्तराले अन्तराले दिङ्नामानि अन्तराले
अंतराले
तत्र ते नेद्धमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र ते नेदमिति स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
द्वन्द्वे घी
द्वन्द्वे घी
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
निष्ठा
निष्ठा
वाहिताज्ञादिषु
वाहिताज्ञादिषु
कडारा कर्मधारये
कडारां कर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
631 अलुगुत्तरपदे
अलुगुत्तरपदे
सो अलुक् इति उत्तरपदे इति अलुक् उत्तरपदे इति उत्तरपद फॉलोस् अलुक् भवति पूर्वपदस्य विभक्ति प्रत्ययस्य लुक् न भवति पंचम्या स्तोकादिभ्यः
पंचम्या स्तोकादिभ्यः
all this we have seen ओजस् सहोम्बस् तमसस् तृतीयायाः
ओजस्सहोम्बस्तमसस्तृतीयायाः
ओजः सः अम्बस् अम्बः अम्बस्तमस् मनससंज्ञायाम्
मनससंज्ञायाम्
आज्ञायिनि च
आज्ञायिनि च
आत्मनश्च
आत्मनश्च
वैयाकरणाख्यायां चतुर्थ्याः
वैयाकरणाख्यायां चतुर्थ्याः
परस्य च
परस्य च
अलदन्ता सप्तम्या संज्ञायाम्
हलदन्ता सप्तम्या संज्ञायाम्
कारणाम्नि च प्राचां हलादौ
कारणाम्नि च प्राचाहलादौ
all these sutras we have seen वैयाकरणाज्ञाम् आत्मनेपदी आत्मनेभाषा परस्य परस्मैपदी परस्मैभाषा चतुर्थी विभक्ति प्रत्ययस्य अलुक् भवति नलदन्ता सप्तम्याः संज्ञायां that sutra we saw the last class al anta adanta akaranta rasvakara उत्तरस्य सप्तम्याः this is for सप्तमी सप्तम्याः अलुक् भवति Saptamyaha goes anvriti up to 18. So that we will see. And Kara Namni that we saw in the last class. Kara Namni cha pracham haladau. Haladau Tarapade. We saw some examples also. Like Supe Shanaha. We saw this is Niyamana Sutram. Explain what Niyamana Sutram with our Sandhi, so Visarga Sandhi Sutra. Niyamana Sutram. Siddhe Sati Aram Baha Niyamartaha. Pracham Deshe Yat Karanama Tatra Halada Uttarapade Aladantaduttarasyaha Sattamyaha Alukvavati Supeshanaha Drashadi Mashakaha Hale Dvipadika Hale Tripadika. All these are Karanama Namani, names of the taxes which are in the which are in the Pracham, eastern side of the country, Pracham Deshe. Names of the taxes. So this was the last sutra we saw. Then the next sutra we will see after 6th treated. Then comes the next sutra, Madhyad Gurau. Madhyad. We can analyze the sutra. Madhyad. What vibhakti Madhyad?
Panchami.
Panchami. Madhyad. Gurau is Saptami.
Saptam.
So Madhyad Gurau means Madhyad Gurau means Madhyad is Panchami.
So
And Gurau is
Arata.
so yes, Madhyad Uttarasya Vibhakti Pratyayasya. What Vibhakti Pratyaya? Saptami. Because we are talking about Saptami Aluk, right? All these are Saptami Aluk. So Madhyad Uttarasya Saptami Vibhakti Pratyayasya Aluk Bhavati. Kada Aluk Bhavati? Gurau. The following pada, if it is a Guru, Gurau Uttarapade, then Aluk Bhavati. Simple. You can easily understand the sutra. Madhyad Gurau, bringing the Uttarapade Aluk, all is as Anuvritti. Madhyad Panchami, Madhyad Uttarasya. Some Vibhakti Pratyaya must be there. What Vibhakti? Saptami. Here they are dealing with Saptami Aluk. Saptami Vibhakti Pratyayasya Luk Bhavati. When there is a Uttarapada, and the Uttarapada is Guru. So we can easily understand by saying this sutra. Let us read. I will write this. Madhyad Guru. Madhyad Guru is a sutra. Madhyad Panchami Guru Saptami Aluk Uttarapade Anuvritti. Therefore, Madhyad Guru 6311. For the example, we will see Madhya plus what Vibhakti will come when Guru is a Uttarapada. That's okay. Here, after the Madhya, what Vibhakti Pratyaya must come?
Nasi.
Sorry? Yes.
Panchami.
No, I'm doing the Udaharanam. Okay. Through Udaharanam, then after that we will write the description. Madhyat is Panchami, that is okay, that's fine. In the Samasa we are talking about, okay, don't confuse with the example. The Samasa, Purva Padam is Saptami. Purva Padam is in Saptami Vibhakti. And that Saptami Vibhakti Pratyaya only will become Aluk. So therefore it has to be Ni.
Ni.
We are talking about Saptamyaha Aluk, right?
Yes.
Simple guess. Don't confuse with the Madhya. That is Panchami. That is fine. That is, so sometimes this will, you may get confused. This. You may confuse this both. Madhyat is Panchami, here Ni. This is Sutra. In the Sutra, it has to be Panchami. Sutra cannot be Saptami, right? When you explain this, how do you explain? Through the Sutra format. Madhya is a Pratipadikam. Madhya Pratipadikat Uttarasya Saptamyaha, right? Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati. When Guru Shabda follows, Guru, support Gurau. So this is Saptami because follows Madhyat is Panchami, and between them only that is Stani is there, which is Ni, Tasya Lopaha, Tasya Alu Bhavati. Right? So that's how we have to understand the Sutra. Panchami, Saptami, and where will be the Shashti Shash? Aluk is Na Luk Aluk. It doesn't become Lopaha, fine. But that has to be there. Where it is between the Panchami and Saptami. Therefore, this is Ni. Understand?
Yes.
This is this is how the sutras are. So Madhya plus Ni. So we can understand the word has to be Madhye. The word has to be Madhye. That is what he's talking about. Madhye. Madhye. That Madhye Saptami Vibhakti, that will not become Luk. It will be Aluk. Guru Uttarapade. Guru plus Su. So what will happen? Guru plus Su. Not because Guru is there, so I should put Saptami here. No, not like that. Guru Uttarapada. When the Uttarapada is, it's a Guru word. Only when Guru, the word follows. Any Vibhakti of the Guru, that doesn't matter. Then what will happen? The whole thing forms a Samasa. Therefore,
So Madhye Guru.
Supodhatu Pratipadik Yogo. Look, by the Su will go away, but Ni will not go because of this Sutram. Therefore, Madhye Guru. Now this is what is this?
Samastapad.
This Pratipadikam, Samasa, Kritatita Samasa Pratipadikam, yet it declined.
Madhye Guruhu.
Madhye Guruhu, you can decline. You can decline like what Shabda?
Guru Shabda.
Guru.
Dvandva Tatpurushayoho, Paravatalingam. Paravatalingam, Dvandva Tatpurushayoho, Dvandva Samasa as well as these Tatpurusha Samasa, it will be Paravatalingam.
Parvatalinga.
Uttarapada. Parashabda, Uttarapada. The Linga will be in keeping with the Uttarapada. So therefore, Madhye Guruhu, Madhye Guru, iti, 10 forms Samasa. Okay. Fine. Now, this also, another information from the Kashikakara says, inside the title, is what it cannot form Samasa by, okay, Madhya is the one Padam, Guruhu is another Padam. Suppose if Samasa to be formed, which sutra you will use? From the Samasa Vidayaka Sutras, whatever we have seen, go to 2.2, second chapters, first section, starting from Saptami Shaundehi, which sutra you will use? In fact, there are no sutras. You cannot use any sutra. Saptami Shaundehi, starting from here up to 48, if you see. Which sutra is applicable here? Now, so you have to do Yoga Vibaha. 48th Sutra, Saptami Shaundehi. Dividing that into two, we know Saptami Sabantam Padam, सुबन्तेन सह समस्यते सप्तमी तत्पुरुषः समासः भवति. By yoga vibhaga, this samasa will happen for this word madhye guruhu. So by the 2140 Saptami Shaundehi, there also we have to do yoga vibhaga. Having done yoga vibhaga, combining these two words madhye and guruhu, and because of this sutram 6311 madhyad guru, that Saptami Bhakti also becomes aluk. By that you get this samasta padam madhye guru. This is how the word is formed. Okay, madhye guru. You will see the Kashika from here, what Kashikara says. Madhyad Guru. Madhyad Panchami Ekavachanam Guru Saptami. Haladantat comes Anuvruti. Then Saptamyaha. Okay. Then here you can note that Sanyayam and all doesn't come as Anuvruti. So this is not a Sanya. So therefore, if it is Sanyayam, then it will form samasa by Aladantat. Just see the, we have to see the Sutrapata. Every time in Sutrapata going back is difficult. Aladanta Saptamyaha Sanyayam, when it denotes a Sanya, an appellation, then Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati. So here the Sanyayam doesn't come as Anuvritti for this sutra. So therefore, Madhyad Guru, here there is no Sanya here. Here two Padam joining become a Samasta Padam, that's all. So no Sanya is indicated. If Sanya is indicated, then by 63, that 9, Aladanta Saptamyaha, that by this sutram, it would have become Aluk. By this sutram. Here, Sanya is not indicated. So therefore, this is not a Sanya Madhyad Guruhu. Madhyad Guru. Samasa has happened by Saptami Shaundehi. By that sutra, by Yoga Vibhaga, Samasa happens. And specifically this Madhya, see, Madhya, the word is Adanta. Aladantat, there Alanta and Adanta is. Then why this sutram is required? Because this sutram doesn't, this word doesn't denote a Sanya. Therefore, this sutram is written. This is not a Sanya. Otherwise, this sutram is not required. What Madhye Guru? Madhye Guru, you can take Madhye Guru in the middle Guru. That is, Guru is, don't think Guru is Acharya. The middle is a Guru. It means Guru is a name of the Lagu Guru, you know. Sanyoge Guru. Remember, Dirgham Cha. You remember that? Sanya. Sanya of what? Sanya of what? Lagu, Guru.
Swara.
So, in the Chandas Shastram, the Chandas means not in the Veda, I'm talking about in the Chandas, in writing a shloka, there are different meters are there. So many meters are there. There is a certain rules are there. That is, there must be a lagu at the position, in a particular position, lagu letter, there must be Guru. For Anushtup also, there is a Anushtup Chandas, Anushtup meter, there are certain rules. Maybe sometime I will teach you, we'll see that. Anushtup Chandas, what should be that, and what should be the word. The words, suppose for example, Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. You see that Dharma is lagu. Dharma, dadha, I mean, the Takara is Guru, really speaking. Kshetre, suppose A you take, it is Guru letter. So if it is, suppose if it is Lagu, then it cannot fit into the Anushtup Chandas. So the Anushtup Chandas, we know each line has got 8 letters. It can be divided into 2, therefore 4 quarters. In the each quarter containing 8 letters. That letters have to be, there are rules that the particular letters, these letters, particular position have to be, it has to be Guru, it has to be Lagu. Certain niyamas are there. Then only it will be called, it can be called an Anushtup meter. Otherwise, no. Modern poetry doesn't follow this, but it's not proper. It should follow to be, to strictly conform to the Shastram, it should follow. So, therefore, Guru referring to that Swara, Madhye Guruhu. Madhye Guruhu, in the middle, there is a Guru Varna, Guru letter. That's a Madhye Guru. Okay, therefore, this is not a Sanya. Because it is not a Sanya, Samasa, that Aluk, Samasa happens by Saptami Shaundehi by Yoga Vivaha, and Aluk happens not by the Sutra 639, even though it covers, but since it's not a Sanya, therefore not covered. That Sutra doesn't cover this. 639 covers only the Sanya. Madhya Guruhu is not a Sanya. Therefore, separate Sutra written. Even though this is also Adanta, there also Adanta only 639. Not being a Sanya, therefore separate. It is separately written. Madhya Guruhu. The purpose of this Sutra being there separately or not covered by 639 is because this doesn't denote a Sanya. That is why this question may come, if at all question comes. If this question comes, then this is the answer. Why this can't be covered by 639 itself? Because not a Sanya. Madhyat Uttarasyaha Saptamyaha Gura Uttarapade, Guru Uttarapade, Gurau Uttarapade, Aluk Bhavati, Madhye Guruhu. Okay. Saptami iti Yoga Vibhagat, Samasaha. So Yoga Vibhagat means we have to refer to the Sutra Saptami Shaundehi. By that, Yoga Vibhaga is done. And here, Madhye Guruhu, the word Madhya is talked about in the Sutra. Then Vartikakara says, Anta Cheti Vaktavyam. You have to tell Anta also, Ante Guruhu. That word also probably there in the language. Therefore, Vartikakara says, Anta Chetiti Vaktavyam. Ante Guruhu. That also to be told. Antach, that's big chakara, it is not there. So Vartika. Antat cha iti. Even the word antat, you can write the same like the vritti. Antat uttarasyaha saptamyaha Gurau Uttarapade Aluk Bhavati iti Vaktavyam. Vartikakara says this also should be told. Even for the Anta Shabda, Saptami Vibhakti becomes Aluk when followed by the Guru Uttarapada. So whenever you see Vaktavyam in this Kashika, then you have to note it is Vartika. So this also, that Ante Guruhu also, the Ante Guruhu, the word also formed, compounded by Yoga Vibhaga, Saptami, Shaundaiki, 2 and 40. Both the words, Madhye Guruhu as well as Ante Guruhu. I just copy paste this. This is Kashika. Vritti. I will write the anta cheti vaktavyam separately as a Vartika. For this, Madhyad Guru, Madhye Guruhu, and Vartika antat cha iti vaktavyam ante Guruhu. And this can be noted. Saptami iti Yoga Vibhagat Samasaha. So you can note this 2140A. After having done Yoga Vibhaga, we get the Sutram 2140A, which is Saptami. By that Sutram, Samasa is formed. This is 6311. Then, after this, the next Sutra, going back to Alukutra Pada again. There are many sutras in the Alukutra Pada. I'll just, we'll see some few sutra now. After that, I'll just quickly run through some, not all the sutra. Then we'll move on to the Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Okay. So here you can see Vartika, the sutra pata itself is that Madhyad Guru Antacha Vaktavyam iti. Okay. Then the next one. Next one is, okay, is there, I will cover that also. Amurdha Mastakat Swangad Akame. Amurdha Mastakat. You can see the word Amurdha Mastakat, what vibhakti Panchami. Amurdha Mastakat. Murdha meaning head, Mastaka is forehead. So Murdha and Mastaka, Panchami. So after the word Murdha, after the word Mastaka, so they are the part of the body, Anga, Swa Anga, denoting the part of the Shariram, body. So the Vibhakti Pratyaya will not become Saptami Vibhakti, you can take Saptami Vibhakti Pratyayasya Aluk Bhavati, except for the word Swangat Akame, except for the word Kama. Except for the word Kama. So, Vibhakti Pratyayasya, what Vibhakti Pratyaya? Vibhakti Pratyaya following the word Murdha, following the word accepting Murdha and Mastaka, which denote the part of the Shariram. So any word denoting the part of the Shariram, with the exception of Murdha and Mastaka, except the word Kama, the Uttarapada follows. Any other word other than Kama as a Uttarapada, then Vibhakti Pratyayasya Imbhavati Aluk Bhavati. That is the sutra. Amurdha Mastakat Swangadakami. We will see the Kashika. I'll explain for the Kashika. Murdha Mastaka Varjitat. Here it is the sutram itself. It is in Nanch Tatpurusha. Murdha and Mastaka. Two words are there. Murdha Mastaka. Mastakat. It's Panchami. After the Murdha Shabda, after the Mastaka Shabda, that's it, Panchami. Is Nanch. Therefore, accepting Murdha, accepting Mastaka, any other Swa Anga, any other limb of the body, part of the body, any other word representing the part of the Shariram, tasya uttarasyaha saptamyaha Kim bhavati, aluk bhavati, uttarapade pare. And the uttarapada also should not be the word kama, akame, excepting the word kama. Example, kante kalaha. Kanta is throat, part of the shariram, and followed by kala. Therefore, kante kalaha. Similarly, urasi is chest. Loman is also on nakaranta shabda. You are seeing nakaranta shabda, right? Loman. What linga loman is? Loma is there. What linga?
Strilinga, Loma.
No. Atma is there. Atma is linga.
No.
Similarly, also, you have to ask, what does it denote? What does it describe? If it describes Pullinga, then Loma, like Atman, you can decline. Loman Shabda will be declined like Atman Shabda. Otherwise, if it is Loman is Napumsakalinga. No, Loman is like Vyoman only. Napumsakalinga Shabda. But suppose if it denotes a Pullinga, a person, a Purusha, then it becomes a Samasa and it is declined like Atman Shabda. So, Urasi Loma, like Atma, Urasi Loma. So, therefore, Urasi Loma. If Loman, the word is Napumsakalinga, because, and if it's Napumsakalinga, the Rupam should be Loma, Lomni, Loma.
Lomani.
Then Lomani, it will be, right? Like Naman Shabda. Nama, Namni,
Namani.
Nama, Namani, Namni, Namani, right? Similarly, Loman Shabda. So, Pratama Purusha, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Nama. If it is Napumsakalinga, it should be Loma. But Loma is there. So, you can infer from that. It should be Pullinga. How can it be Strilinga? Suppose Strilinga is a Nakaranta Shabda. What will happen to convert into Strilinga? You know it. We have seen that.
Karin Shabda.
Huh?
Is it Karin Shabda like that?
How do you decline? Yes, Karin is Pullinga. For Strilinga Rupam of Karin is?
Karini.
Yes, what is that? Somebody said.
Ni pratyaya we have to add.
Yeah, tell me what is it? What pratyaya?
Ni
Pratyaya. Okay. Then what will happen? Form would be?
Karini.
Karini. Ikaranta Shabda it will become. So Nakaranta, Karin becomes Karini. So Karini is Nadi Shabda. Similarly, Loman can be converted to Strilinga by adding Ni Pratyaya. Okay. So the form will be different. Ikaranta Shabda. So therefore, Ikara, the Nadi, in Strilinga Shabda, you can easily find out. It's not a problem. Only between Napumsakalinga and Pullinga, we may have confusion. But Napumsakalinga also, Naman is Nama, here it is Loma, therefore it has to be Pullinga. We can infer from the Atman Shabda. Like Atman, Atma, Atmanu, Atmanaha, similarly Loma. Anyway, Varasi Loma. Similarly,
Kshamitaji. This Murda means what?
Murda is?
Murda, which part of our body?
Murda is Murda, head. Cerebrum. Right, cerebrum.
Okay.
Murda. Murda is from there, Sushumna, through the Sushumna Nadi, we have seen Kathopanishad, the Jivatma, I mean, for those who have done the Upasana, they, at the time of the departure of the Shariram, through the Sushumna Nadi, they eject out this prana, jiva, and it opens up the murda and goes to Brahma, goes to the Brahma Loka, and from there gets mukti, krama mukti, we saw, right? Even in Gita, the shlokam is Murdhanya, the Atmana Pranaha, 8th chapter. So Murdhani is the top of the head, Murdha. Mastaka is Lalata, forehead. So accepting these two Anga, Swa Angat, all are Panchami, you can see. See, what the sutra says, angat. That is what it says, angat. After the word denoting the limb of the shariram, with the exception of murda and mastaka, it should not be a murda or mastaka. Excepting these two words, then tasya uttarasya saptamyaha, saptami denotes the vibhakti pratyaya. Like here, kante, kanta plus ni, that ye. Uttarasya saptamyaha aluk bhavati, kada bhavati uttarpade pare. And the uttarpade also there is a condition. It should not be kama. Example, mukhe kamaha yasya. You cannot form here. You cannot make the saptami aluk. Mukhe kamaha is mukha kamaha. Swa angaditi kim aksha shaundaha. Here also compounding done. Aksha shaundaha. Aksha is aksha shaundaha. Then here it is swa angaditi. It should be a swa anga. If it is swa anga, then only it will not become. It will not become look. If it is swa anga, then becomes. Sorry, if it is swa anga, then only it will become aluk. Here aksha is not swanga, therefore it becomes luk. Saptami vibhakti pratyaya se luk bhavati aksha shaundaha. That is the examples for saptami shaundahi. That example itself he has given here. Aksha shaundaha, akshesha shaundaha, 2 and 40. Akshesha shaundaha. Why here saptami vibhakti pratyaya luk bhavati? Because aksha is not the anga. Therefore it has become luk. Okay, then Amurda Mastakat is giving counter. Why it is Amurda Mastakat? Murda Shikaha. Okay, Murda is also Murdhan Nakaranta Shabda. Murdhan Nakaranta Shabda. Nakarantaha Napumsakalinga word. Okay, Murdhan. That Nakara goes away. Lopaha Pradipadikantasya by that word. Okay, maybe I will do that. Yes, in Rajan Purushaha, the same thing. Rajnya, Raja Purushaha, same way. Here also, Akara goes away. I will explain. So here, Murdashikaha, why Saptamyaha luk bhavati? Because Sutram says Amurda Mastakat. Therefore, Saptamyaha luk bhavati. Here, in this example. Similarly, Mastaka Shikaha. Here also, it has become luk because Sutra, by presenting in the form of a nunch, these two words are excluded from the swa anga. Therefore, so all the words are very clear from the Kashika Vritti. Alantad, Haladantad Ittityeva, and also we have to note Anguli Tranaha. Anguli Tranaha. What is Anguli? Anguli finger. Okay. Anguli Tranaha. Here you can see okay. You can see the anuvritti. Aladantat comes as anuvritti. Al anta, at anta. So the words denoting the part of the shariram and ends with a consonant or ends with a short vowel, arasvakara. That word only. For that word only, saptamyaha aluk bhavati. Here, the example, Anguli Tranaha. Here you can see Anguli is Ikaranta Shabda. Therefore, it has become luk. Similarly, Janghavalihi. Here, Akaranta Shabda, not Akaranta. Therefore, here also, Saptamyaha luk bhavati. So, all the lines of Kashika must be clear. I've seen explain this.
One thing I do, Aksha, how it is not part of the body, I don't get it.
Aksha. Aksha, what do you mean by Aksha?
Aksha, eyes, isn't it? No?
That's a wrong. The Akshesha Shaundaha. Remember the sutra, that example?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Yes.
Aksha is not. Aksha is dice. How can be eyes?
Okay, dice. Okay.
Akshi is eye. That is different.
Okay.
Okay. Aksha, you are confused with dice, you are confusing with ice. Okay. Aksheshu Shaundaha, the one who is skilled in playing the dice.
Yes, yes.
Okay. In the game called, the game is denoted by the word Aksha. Aksha is not Swa-anga, it is a game.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So now see the Kashika again. You understand Kashika clearly?
Yes, yes, Jimmy.
Kashika is best technical format. Everything is given counter examples. Why it is, each word he will explain. Murdamastaka varjitat swangat uttarasyaha saptamyaha akame uttarapade aluk bhavati. The line clear? That
Yes, Jimmy.
kante kalaha urasiloma. Another example. Udare manihi. Amurda Mastakaditi Kim, why it is Amurda Mastaka? We'll give example. Through example, you'll not explain, just give the example, and you have to see the example and understand. Murda Shikaha. Murda is the Purva Padam, and Purva Padasya Saptamyaha Luk Bhavati. Murda Shikaha, Mastaka Shikaha. That is for Amurda Mastakadit, for that. Akame iti Kim, why it is Akame? Muke Kamaha Asya Mukha Kamaha. If kama is there, then also saptamyaha luk bhavati. Swangaditi kim aksha shaundaha. Aksha is not anga, swa-anga. Therefore, luk bhavati. Haladantaditi eva. Why? Angulit ranaha, janga valihi. These are not halanta or adanta. So all these examples, through examples, he says why it is the sutra negates murda and mastaka for the Purvapada, for being the Purvapadam, and Uttarapadam, excluding the Uttarapadam, Kama. Okay. So this sutra, only this much. So let me write that also.
Paryudasa Pratisheda.
Hmm?
This is Paryudasa Pratisheda, isn't it?
Which one? Yes.
This one.
This is Kante, Kamaha
Murdha.
is there. So with the exception of Abramanam Anaya, yes. But in the context of Vyakaranam, we have seen what should be Akame iti. Kim means here it is Paryudasa only. Yes, right. Paryudasa Paritisheda. Because samasa we are forming. Samasa there must be a Uttarapadam. So there it should Uttarapadam is negated. Should not be Kama. Similarly for this also Amurda Mastakat also. Pratisheda, what type of Pratisheda? Is Paryudasa Pratisheda. Just a minute. This copy pasting that in our file. Sutra number 6312.
12.
Okay. So Kashika itself is clear, so we don't have to see any other reference. Then we'll move on to the next one. Next sutra is important. Important in the sense some explanation is required. Okay, this Madhya, I will, one more thing is there Madhya, not here. We will see in some other context. Madhyad Guru, not that Madhyad Guru. There is one sutra we saw in the first section of the second chapter itself. Pare Madhye Shashtiyava. There we'll see. I'll explain that. There also Madhya is. Here it is for the word only. Madhye Guru, Ante Guru. For those specific words, Saptamyaha, Aluk Bhavati. Okay, that much. When we see Avi Bhava Samasa, that time I will explain that. Now let us move to the next sutra. Sutra number 6330, which says, Bande cha vibhasha, banda, bande cha vibhasha. Bande cha vibhasha. Bande, what vibhakti? Before we see, we can analyze the sutram, the words of the sutram. Bande, what vibhakti?
Who's the Saptami?
Saptami. So therefore, Saptami, it means when the banda, the word follows. Right? That's a Uttrapadam.
Yeah.
Bande Uttarapade. Simple. Bande Uttarapade. When banda is a following word, then you see what are all the anuvritti. Anuvritti from the previous sutra.
Alantat.
Aladhantat. Sanyayam doesn't come as anuvritti. Sanyayam only for that 9th sutra alone. That itself stops.
Yeah, Saptamyaha only.
Saptamyaha comes as anuvritti. So, Saptamyaha. Saptamyaha referring to the vibhakti pratyaya. Of which padam? Purva padam or uttara padam? Purva padam. Purva padasya Saptamyaha, that is vibhakti pratyayasya. It means ni iti pratyayasya. Kim bhavati? Uttarapade pare. Uttarapada here in this case, 13th sutra, banda, the word banda follows. This ni pratyaya, that is saptami vibhakti pratyayasya. Kim bhavati? Aluk bhavati. It will not become luk. It will be there when the purva pada is aladantat. Very important. Aladantat uttarasya saptami vibhakti pratyayasya bandhe uttarapade pare aluk bhavati. Sutra is complete. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear? Bandhe cha vibhasha.
Yes.
Yes.
Vibhasha means it's optional.
Optional. So optionally it will go. Optionally becomes look. See what I explained, I will write, then you try to understand. Bande cha vibhasha. Simple. When we see the sutra, it may look, what is this? Something difficult? No. We may not understand. We think we don't understand, but we understand this. By seeing the sutra itself, little thinking, little effort, with little effort, you can easily understand the sutra. When we just chant, that time we may not pay that much attention. We're just Bande Chibasha we read. But if you analyze the words of sutra, then you yourself can understand the meaning with the knowledge of the paribhasha and the adhikaram, adhikara sutram, anuvrittis, etc. You can easily, at least you can guess. If something else comes as anuvritti from some other sutra, there it may bring some change. That's fine. Otherwise, the sutra is simple. Bande is saptami vibhakti. Therefore, banda must be the uttarapada. So, bande uttarapade. You can write vritti. Bande uttarapade pare. Vibhasha. Vikalpena. Vikalpena. What will happen? Vikalpena. Here, the section is aluk section. So, aluk is vikalpa. So, vikalpena aluk bhavati. It means optionally aluk. It means look also can happen. So, therefore, what will become look? Saptami, the word comes as anuvritti. And saptami is the vibhakti pratyaya, that is ni pratyaya.
Purva padam Saptami will be.
So, here, saptamyaha is vibhakti pratyaya is saptamyaha. That vibhakti pratyaya is ni. That you have to understand ni. Every time we say saptamyaha because it is there in the sutra. Really speaking, it is saptami means what? Ni. So saptamyaha bande uttarapade look bhavati. So saptamyaha bande uttarapade vikalpena aluk bhavati. This is not complete. And purvapad aladantat, that you have to write. Aladantat uttarasya. Following, right? Therefore uttarasya, the word you add. Saptamyaha strilinga, therefore uttarasyaha. Here this is Uttarasyaha Saptamyaha. The same vibhakti. Okay, because Saptami is Strilinga. So Aladantad Uttarasyaha Saptamyaha Bande Uttarapade Pare. Pare itself not required because Uttarapade Saptami is that itself enough. Vikalpena Aluk Bhavati. This is what is Sutram. Sutra Vritti. Writing our own Sutra Vritti. Now you see the Kashika Vritti, what he says. Tasmin Uttarapade. Tasmin means is just that is Bandha. It means that that pronoun is explained in the previous slide. Bandha iti. But the Bandha word. Tasmin Uttarapade Aladantad Uttarasyaha Saptamyaha Vibhasha Aluk Bhavati. That is what we have written. No. The Bandha is explaining in the previous sentence. Bandha iti Ghayantaha Grigyate. That is important. Bandha iti Ghayantaha Grigyate. So I will copy this Kashika Vritti. The word Bandha must be a Ghayanta. What is Ghayanta?
Ghai Pratyanta.
Gai Pratyanta. Very good. Gai Pratyanta. What is Gai Pratyaya?
Only Akara will be there.
That's okay. Very good. Akara. What Pratyaya? What type of Pratyaya is that?
Saddhita. Saddhita. No.
Saddhita.
No.
Gai Pratyaya I have used, I have told, but we have not seen in detail, but I have mentioned in the class sometimes.
Yeah.
What type of Pratyaya Ghai is? Okay. I'll give an example. Gai Pratyaya. Okay, where does this itself Ram plus Ghai will become
Rama. Rama.
Rama. Because
That's
of
Adi
being
Pratyaya.
a Nyat, not Adi Vritti. Because of Nyat, what will happen? Here, Upadaya, that's Upadayaha Dirghattam Bhavati.
Dirghatvam.
Ram. Gakara is ith letter. Nakara also ith letter. Content is A only. So Ram plus A, you will have Rama.
Rama.
So what is this word Rama?
Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam.
Derived from
Ram Shabda.
Ram Shabda. Dhatu. Ramu
Ram.
Kridayam Dhatu.
Oh.
So therefore, what is this what is the word? What is the pratyaya? The Rama is Pratipadikam. Ram is a Dhatu. So what is this pratyaya?
Krit.
Exactly. So Gai is a Krut pratyaya. So the word Bandha should be a Gayanta, means it should be formed among the Krut pratyayas. The Bandha, the word must be a Gayanta. It should be formed by the Gai pratyaya. By the addition of Gai pratyaya to the Dhatu, Badh Dhatu. Badi, I think. Bandh Dhatu. So Bandh plus Gai, Bandha. Why? Because the Bandha, the word can be formed by other Krit pratyayas also. Other Krit pratyaya also possible. The word Bandha can be formed by other. Like what? Like the 1 minute. Before that, I will find out what is the Upadeshika Dhatu. This Badi, I think Badi only. Badh, Badha Bandhane, yes. Dhatu is Bandhane. Just a minute. Dhatu is Bandhane. The word is just a minute. Let me check. Is Bandhane. There is a dhatu itself is the bandh dhatu that you can take. Bandh, bandhane. Okay. In the ninth gana, the word, the dhatu is bandhane. The ninth gana, the dhatu. So let me write that also here. First, I will explain the word. Now you know what is going is. Going is a krit pratyaya. So Rama is a kridanta. Rama is a kridanta word. Now here one, I think this also some other context I would have told. This gai pratyaya is krit pratyaya. Fine, but an important thing to be noted here is krit pratyayas are added in the sense of, in what sense krit pratyayas are added? Generally, utsarga. Utsarga is
Akartari.
Kartari, not akartari, kartari.
Karmanya.
Is it good? Here akartari. This is akartari. The ghai is akartari. Krit pratyayas are generally by default. What means generally default. Kartari krit, that is utsarga. Like what, trich pratyaya, kartari krit. No, any pratyaya, any krit pratyaya you take, unless otherwise specified, it is kartari krit, it denotes karta only. Okay. And we know that pachadi, liu, nini, achaha, ach pratyaya, all these are the pratyayas, some of the pratyayas, even kip pratyaya also you can add, denotes karta. Any other if you can add if it is there. All these pratyayas, krit pratyayas, denote karta. Added to the dhatu, it will denote karta. This is utsarga, kartari krit. But this gain pratyaya, etc., that is one separate section. This pratyaya, akartari, excepting karta in other karaka. And in other karaka, since this can be added. So Rama here, derived from the dhatu, Ram, Rama meaning the person, but the vyutpatti is different. That is why we say Ramante. We say Ramante Sarve Sarvani Bhutani Asminiti. It's Adhikarana Vyutpatti we give. Ramante Sarvani Bhutani. Sarvani Bhutani Asminiti. That is in which all the Bhutas revel. That is Rama. It is not Rama is doing the Kriya of Ram. Okay, not Rama is playing. Then Rama becomes the player, some game player. No. Ramante Sarvani Bhutani Asmineti. Bhutani, all the Bhutas, they revel in whom? That person is Rama. Therefore, the Vyutpatti, if you see, it is Adhikarana Vyutpatti, Asmineti. Adhikarana Vyutpatti, any other Vyutpatti, if possible, we can do. Therefore, Gai Pratyaya added to Dhatu, except in the sense of Karta. Or Gai Pratyaya can be added in the sense of Bhava. Okay, these are all additional information. You take as much you understand now. This we will see detail. In later, not now. Okay. So Gai Pratyaya is except in the sense of except Akarta. Except karta, akartaricha karake sanyaya. That is a sutra by which we get this word Rama added to the Gai Pratyaya added to Ram Dhatu in Adhikarana Vyutpatti. Fine. Now, Gai Pratyaya, not only Gai Pratyaya, there are many Pratyayas are there. Ap Pratyaya, many Pratyayas are there in this section. It's a separate topic. The word Bandha, it is from the Dhatu Bandh. It is from the Dhatu Bandh. Bandh Dhatu, which is there in the ninth Gana. So that is the Dhatu we are interested. Bandhane. You know, what is the form, what is the Kriya Padam would be? Latlakara Rupam would be for this Bandh Dhatu. You know it, we have seen ninth Gana. Ninth Gana we have seen, but not elaborately, but we know.
Badnati.
Yes, Badnati. Badnati, Badnitaha, Badnanti.
Badnanti.
That rupam would be like that. Badnati. Badnati. So that is called Bandh Dhatu. Bandh Bandhane. Mentakana. Kriyadikana. Now, this Bandh Dhatu is to denote the karta, this pratyaya can be added. Trich pratyaya can be added. Liu, nul, liu, nini, ach, etc. Here the word, what is the word? Bande, uttarapade. So the word is banda. The word is banda. Banda, the word follows. And the word banda can be derived by adding what pratyaya? I'm just giving few examples, few pratyayas here. With that only I'm asking. You see, trich pratyaya, the content is tr. Nul pratyaya, the content is nul pratyaya. Lakara is it, nakara is it, who is replaced by aka, you know. Yes or no? You have seen this?
Yes.
And liu is, lakara is, and u is replaced by ana. Content is ana. And the nini, the content is, then ach, the content is, pip is zero content. There are many pratyas, I'm only taking a few so that from that you can tell now. Gai pratyaya content is, that also you take it, but gai is not karta, okay? Not in kartari. Content is Now from bandh dhatu, you get a pratipadikam, bandha. The pratipadikam or not? Tripatita samasasya pratipadikam. Trit pratyaya, you add to dhatu, what do you get? A pratipadikam. The sutra bande is there. So bandha, the word is derived by the addition of some pratyaya, what pratyaya? Is it aditya pratyaya? No, it has vikrit pratyaya only. So what is the pratyaya by which you get the word bandha added to the dhatu, bandh? Which one will give that form? What pratyaya? The pratyaya which has the content?
Akara.
Right? Now, I just gave only few pratyayas. There are so many pratyayas, so that you can filter out and see. All this can be negated, right? Can negate this. And here also, this is also not required, negated. So this ach, it can be either formed by the addition of ach pratyaya, whose content is a. It can be formed by addition of ghai pratyaya, that is also content is a. Kashikara very intelligently is helped us by saying Gayanta. It means what? It should not be
Ach.
It should not be ach. And this ach, we know, this is called Pachadi ach. Remember? Pachadi ach. Pachadi ach is nothing but Pachadi is a Gana, is a group. It is in the Ganapata. If you don't know, please see the website. I'll show you Pachadi Gana. Again, these are all additional information, not for this. So I'm saying all these things so that you can remember this in some other context. It will be helpful when I refer to this Pachadi, Ach, and all. If I say, you can understand. Pachadi Gana. This is what Pachadi Gana is. You see this screen?
Yes.
Pachadi is a group which consists of these words: Pacha, Vacha, Vapa, Vada, Chala, Pata, Nadat, Bashat, Plavat. So many words are there. And it is Akratigana. It's an open group. If you see these words are formed by the addition of the pratyaya to the dhatu, right? The words what are given, they are all what? Pratipadikam. Can be declined. Pacha, the word is derived from what dhatu?
Ach dhatu.
What is the pratyaya? Ach pratyaya.
Ach only.
Ach is a pratyaya. How do you know ach? We asked. Please see the sutra 3154. That sutra tells ach. Nandi grahi pachadibhyaha liu nin yachaha. The sutra I would have referred sometimes.
Yeah, we have seen one.
Yes. So here, for those who don't remember, just see quickly. I will run through this. Not the whole thing. Nandi is another gana. Grahi is another Gana. Gana is the Ganapata. Pachadi, that is what we are interested. Pachadi Gana. So 3 Ganas are mentioned. The words in the 3 Ganas are derived by the addition of the pratyas Liu,
Liu.
Nini, Achaha respectively. It means the words in the Nandi Gana are derived by the addition of Liu Pratyaya. The words in the Grahi Gana, Grahyadihi, are derived by the addition of Nini Pratyaya to the Dhatu, Grag, etc. Similarly, the words in the Pachadi Gana are derived by the addition of the Pratyaya Ach. Is it clear? Yes?
Yes, Ji.
Now the question comes, okay, this is all what Pratyaya? Krit Pratyas. It says Krit Pratyaya, Anurti is there. Now, these Pratyas denote what? Denote Karta. That is the Utsarga Sutram. Kartari Krit. So these Pratyas denote Karta. Therefore, Pach plus Ach is equal to Pacha you get. It means the one who cooks. Cook. That is the meaning. Denotes the Karta. If you add Trich, you will get Paktri. If you add Null, you get Pachaka. All are same only. Okay. No difference. Pachaka, whether you say Pachaka or whether you say Paktri, Pakta, Paktaro, Paktaraha, Karanta Shabda, or you say Pacha, same only. No difference. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
And you see another interesting word. This is again extra information. Nadat. Nadat is what is Nadat? Takara is ithalater. It's a Pratipadikam. Nada only. Nada is what is Nada? It's a river. Nada meaning river. Pullinga form of a river. Because Takara is there. Takara is what letter? Ith letter. And the word is Nada. Nadaha, Nadau, Nadaha, you can say. Brahmaputra is the only river which has got masculine name. Right? Brahmaputra. Brahmaputraha it is, not Brahmaputri. That is the only river which has a masculine name. All the other rivers you see have feminine name. So Nadaha, Nadaha meaning river. So Nadaha, Nadau, Nadaha you can say. Then why Takara is there? The question comes. Takara is there because to convert the word Nada into Strilinga, you have to go to Strilinga section. I don't remember the sutta. The Tiddana one sutram is there. Tiddana. Yeah, here it is. You see the long sutra, don't worry about that. Here, Tit is there. You see Tit? You see Tit, right? Tit.
Yes, Ji.
Tit means what? Takara is it.
Takara is it.
That word, which has got Takara as ith letter, that is Tit Shabda, will take Ni Pratyaya. So Nada plus Ni, what you will get? Nadi. That's how you get the word Nadi. Nada plus E. You may ask how Nada plus E will get Nadi. Nada plus E will be Nade. Guna Sandhi will happen. Not like that. This you know it. Nada plus Nadat is a Shabda. Takara, because Takara is it. Therefore, the Stri Pratyaya, Neep Pratyaya is added. The content of Neep is E. Nada plus E. Now, E is what? What is the Pratyaya? What is the beginning of the Pratyaya? Ajadi. Right?
Yeah.
Yachi, what? Yachi, Yachi Bham. Yakaradi Ajadi Pratyaya Pare Angasya Kasanya Bhavati. Bhasanya Bhavati. Anga will get Bhasanya. It is not only, please note, this Bhasanya, Padasanya, not only for 21 Pratyaya, the Supratyaya only. That Pratyaya which start from 412. 412 is 4th chapter, 1st section, 2nd sutra onwards, which happens to be Suvauja Sammocha Dabhyam. That is the 21 Pratyayas. Starting from 412, that Suvauja Sammocha up to 5th chapter, last sutra. Right? All those Pratyayas. Starting from here up to 5th chapter, last sutra. All the sutras are represented, are said here. Where? Su adishu asravanamastane padam. Su adishu means what? The su means 412, fourth chapter, first section, second sutra, su aujas, sammochas, what I showed just now. Starting from here, adishu means up to the last sutra of the fifth chapter. So fourth chapter, 4 sections, fifth chapter, 4 section, 8 section. All the pratyas of both the chapters adishu are covered here. When these pratyas follow the anga, and if it is not sravanamastana, then anga will get the name what? Padam. And if the pratyaya beginning with yakara or ajadi, ach letter, then the anga will get the name bha. Therefore, this get the bha sanya. Nada is a bha sanya. Because of being a bha sanya, when the ikara pratyaya follows, that akara of the anga will go away.
Drop.
Drop. Nad plus e, we have nadi. That's why you get nadi. From nada, you get nadi. And it is nadat. Nadat is in pachadigana, from which you get nadi. Okay. All these are incidental information. Okay. Nada is a word derived by the addition of ach pratyaya to the dhatu nad, meaning that that's karta, the river. Okay. Now coming back here. Now you understand what is pachadi? Pachadiyach. So I can use the word pachadiyach. If I say pachadiyach, you have to understand it refers to the words, group of words which are in the gana, the group pachadi, which are derived by the addition of ach pratyaya. Pachadi ach. Pachadi referring to the gana, ach referring to the pratyaya. Okay. Now here Kashikakara, coming back to the sutram, see what Kashikakara says. Bandha iti gayantaha grigyate. It means it is not pachadi. Right? Pachadi is excluded. Don't take that bandha. Even though bandha, the word can be derived by the addition of ach pratyaya, that is not we are considering here. We are not talking about that. We are talking about gayanta bandha. So therefore, bandha plus gai pratyaya only, not ach pratyaya. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll remove all the other information not required. Now you see. Bandha plus gai pratyaya. If you add gai pratyaya, you get bandha. So this gai rupam. Gayantam is bandha. Okay. Now for this I can give my vitpati. Bandha means bandhane, to bind. I just give karmane vitpati. Any vitpati you can give depending on the context. Badyate anena iti what? Bandha. What is been bandha? What is bandha is? Yes, you can call it as a rope.
Rope. Okay.
That by which something is tied. That is not only rope. The attachment what we have. That is also bandha. Samsara. That's how is bandha. It is badyate anena. Badyate manushyaha anena iti. Bandha, that by which people are bound. Emotions, attachment, bandha. Or physically, it is a rope. Bandha. Bandha is a rope or the bondage, not the karta. Bandha, not bandhaka. Bandhaka is the tire, the one who ties. I don't know whether the word tire is there in English. The one who ties, that is not the meaning. That meaning is possible by adding what pratyaya? Just now I said, ach pratyaya. What ach? This is pachadi ach. The one who binds, that person is called bandha. Person or object, whatever it may be. The one who binds, that is bandha. Yes, karta. Bandha is karta. Here bandha is, I am just taking it as a karana vitpatti. Therefore, that which binds. I talked about vitpatti and all also in some class, some other context. Okay. Understand this?
Yes. Yeah.
Is it clear? No. Now let us come back to the sutram. Bandecha vibhasha. So if bandha, And what bandha, what the word bandha is gayanta. Gayanta bandha shabda, optionally. When it follows optionally, saptamyaha, luk bhavati, aluk bhavati. Suppose if the bandha is achadi, ajad, and it's formed by ach pratyaya, pachadi, ach, then what will happen to bandha?
It will look only.
What will happen to saptami? It will become
Look.
look
Look.
only. It has to become look. There is no
No
choice.
choice.
Choice is there only for gayanta bandha, not for pachadi ach bandha. So that's what he says. Now you see Sutra Pata. Now you see this here. Bandha iti. Aste bandha. Aste bandha is, you can see Saptami. Where is Saptami? Saptamiyaha here. What is Saptami here?
Asti.
Aste. Asta plus ni.
Ni.
That is the Saptami. Followed by the Uttarapadam bandha.
Ban.
Therefore, Saptamyaha vikalpena. Vikalpena aluk bhavati. Here, aluk, aste bandha. If suppose, if it becomes look, asta bandha, this choice, this option is there only for gayanta bandha.
Gayanta.
Is it clear?
Yes, ji.
Suppose if it is pachadiyanta, pachadiyach bandha, then what will happen?
It will be look only.
It will be look only. Aluk cannot be. It will be look. You will have astabandha only.
We have to look for the meaning, then only we have
Yes,
to
then
arrange
only the
which
meaning.
one.
Yes, all depends on the. You cannot just go by that. You have to see what pratyaya, depending on the context. You have to take the meaning of the word, right? Bandha, just like that, we cannot take what the. That's why the vyutpatti, the samasa, all these are important to understand the word. So much things are involved in gaining the knowledge of the word, and that from the word we get the meaning of the vakya. This is what called mimamsa. So for mimamsa we required vyakaranam. Mimamsa is inquiry. Inquiring into the shastra means inquiring into the words of the shastra, which requires pada vichara, varna vichara. All these form the basis for the Shastra Vichara. Varna Vichara, Pada Vichara, because Varna Vichara, because Swara changes. Samasa Swara change can mean different thing. Meaning will change. And Varna also. So Varna Vichara, then Pada Vichara, after having understand, then Vakya Vichara, that is what is called Mimamsa. After putting all the words, you have to understand the meaning of the sentence in keeping with the context. That is called Mimamsa, Mimamsa Shastra. That is what Brahma Sutra and all Acharya does. Mimamsa Shastra. Okay. Now, therefore, we have two forms. Aste bandha, astaba. Similarly, chakre bandha. Now, you remember chakre bandha we have seen.
Yeah, sir.
The example we have seen, chakre bandha, chakra bandha, where saptami tat purusha. There we saw this. We saw this example. Chakre bandha. What sutram? I think Saptami Shaundehi maybe. The same Saptami Shaundehi only we have seen. Okay. So this we will copy. Bandha iti gayantaha grigyate. Oh, already it is there. Okay. So now we can form. So for this, I can let us see the example. Here the example, just sake of completion. Chakre plus bandha, forming a samasa. Chakra, it is adanta. Aladanta uttarasyaha. Chakra plus ni, then bandha plus su. Bandha plus su. The whole thing is a samasa, krutati the samasa pratipadikam. Then supo dhatu pratipadikyoho look. And ni can become optionally a look. Therefore, without we can do chakra bandha or chakre bandha. Two form we have. We add su, then you get chakra bandha, chakre bandha iti roop. Here itself I add. Similarly, the other example. Other example is two example given. Aste bandha. Similarly, aste bandha, asta bandha.
That sutra we saw when the Siddha Shushka Pakva Bandha is.
Bandha is that is a sutra. Yes, Siddha Shushka. Yes, bandha. That bandha is there. Exactly. Yes, good. That is the one. Good. We could recall that. Okay.
Aste Bandha also you have seen that.
Yes. See now another small information here. So the chakra, the word is adanta, therefore it forms, therefore aluk bhavati vikalpena, that you have to remember aladantat iti. Then the word astabandaha. What samasa is that? Astabandha. Chakrabandha already I did. Okay, that we can keep as it is. Astabandaha. Similarly, astabandaha. Let us take astabandaha. What samasa is that? Astabandaha. You can take it as Tatpurusha samasa. You can take it as Tatpurusha samasa. Now, Siddha Shushka, that the sutra, you go back and see, it is under the 2-1. Yes. Siddha Shushka. Yes, here it is. Siddha Shushka Pakva Bandha Ischa. Siddha Shushka Pakva Bandha Ischa. So, this, the word Astabandha, you take as an example. If you take it as Sanyayam, Sanyayam is there? Sanyayam. Suppose if it denotes Sanya, therefore, by this sutra, we can form a Sanyayam, the word is Sanyayam, by that sutra, we can form a samasa. What samasa? Tatpurish samasa. By the words, by the sutram, okay, let me write. By the sutram, Sanyayam sutram, we can form samasa. Suppose if it denotes a name, okay, Sanyayam. Sanyayam, sutra number 2144. By the sutram 2144, asta and bandaha can be compounded in that compounded can be compounded and form a tatpurusha samasa, right? From a tatpurusha samasa. So therefore here the vigraha vakya would be aste bandaha is astabandaha or aste bandaha. Both are possible. Astabandaha or aste bandaha. By the word, by the sutram sanyayam, if it denotes sanya, the word asta and bandha can be compounded, and saptamyaha aluk bhavati vikalpena. That is by our current sutram. This is one possibility. This way we can form tatpurish samasa. Second possibility is we can form the compound. Also we can form the compound through bahuvrihi also. Bahubrigi, we'll see that later, but I just give the Vigraha Vakya for Bahubrigi. Bahubrigi Samasa. That is, suppose if it is a Bahubrigi, referring to the person, Aste, Bandaha, Yasya, Saha, that person is Aste Bandaha or Astabandaha. Aste Bandaha Yasya, in whose hand Banda is there, that person is called Astabandaha. This Bhagavrigi is like what is that? Chakrapani, like that. Chakrampano Vyasya Saha. It's something like that, Bhagavrigi Samasa. So we can form a Bhagavrigi Samasa also. We will see example in Bhagavrigi Samasa, we will see more examples. So whichever Samasa you form. Here we are talking only about Tatpurusha Samasa. Therefore, only I just want to mention, but in Bhagavrigi Sama also, this is possible. And there also, the Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati Vikalpena. So, whether it is Bhagavrigi Samasa or Saptami Tatpurusha Samasa, whatever it may be, the word Banda, if it is formed of Gayanta, then Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati. Okay, that is another point you can note here in the Kashika. I don't think it is there. So it is a side point you can note. Okay. So the sutra is done. Next sutra. Next sutra is 6.3.14. 6.3.14 says Krit Karne Krita Bagulam. Sorry, Tatpurushe Kriti Bagulam. Bagulam is anything can happen. Kochit Pravrittihi, Kochit Apravrittihi, Kochit Vibhasha, Kochit Anyadeva. Anything can happen. That's called this Bagulam is. So Bagula accommodates all the possibilities. But that word is there but not formed by any other general application of the sutra, then we can categorize it as Bagulam. So here you can see Tat Purushe Kriti Bagulam. Kriti Saptami Tat Purushe Bagulam. Aladanta Saptamyaha Aluk Uttarapade, all this comes as Anuvritti. Now you see Tat Purushe Samase. That's very clear for Tat. This is only Tat Purusha Samasa. Previous example I gave for Bhagavad also and Tat Purusha also, but here it is only for Tat Purusha Samasa. Tat Purusha Samasa Vivakshayam. Kriti is Saptami Vibhakti. Therefore, Kridanta Uttarapade. If Kridanta is Uttarapada, then Purva Padasya Saptamyaha Bagulatvena Aluk Bhavati. It means Saptamyaha Luk Bhavati, sometimes Luk, sometimes Aluk, sometimes something can also happen. Examples, Stambe Ramaha, Karne Japaha. These are the examples where Saptamyaha Aluk. And where Nacha Bhavati, Aluk Na Bhavati. It means it has to be Luk only. Kurucharaha, Madracharaha. Kurucharaha is, Kuru is a Desha. Kuru Deshe, Charati. Kurucharaha referring to the people. The people who are Charati, they move in the Kurukshetra, Kuru Desha, similarly Madrachara. So Kurushu Charaha, actually, the Samasa Vigraha will be Kurushu Charaha, similarly Madreshu Charaha, Janaha, Janapada. Charaha referring to Janapada, the people. There, what happened to Saptami? This is a Tatpurusha Samasa. And Saptamyaha, here it has become Luk, and here it has not become Luk in Karne Japa Stambe Ramaha. How do you explain this? This is Tatpurushe Kriti Bagulam. Uttarapada being a Kridanta, Ramaha is a Kridanta. Ramaha is a Krit, Anta, Kridanta. From which Dhatu? Just now we said ram dhatu.
Ram Dhatu.
Pratyaya is ach pratyaya. Ram. Gai, if you add Rama, you will get. Ach you add Rama. Rama. Similarly, japaha. Jap plus pachadi ach. You can add ach pratyaya. Japaha. All are kridantas. That's what kriti. Only when the kriti, kridanta, charaha is you get by adding ach, pachadi ach, charaha. Charati iti charaha. The one which moves. Janapadaha iti artaha. So charaha. So when the kridanta is uttarapada, then purvapadasya saptamyaha tatpurusha samase kim bhavati? Aluk bhavati. Bagulam. Sometimes it is look, sometimes it is not look. So this, if you see the usage of the words of Shishta Purusha, then we have to accommodate in this sutra. Tat Purushe Kruti Bagulam. This is only for when the Kridanta follows. Kridanta is the Uttarapada. When Kridanta is the Uttarapada, then Bagulam Saptamyaha Aluk. For this sutra, we will see. We'll write it. Tat Purushe Samase. Bagulam, you understand? Bagulam, I explained in, I think, in the Samasa context only.
Yes. Yeah.
Kartar Karane Krita Bagulam. So, why it happens, we cannot, why it is like that? Because to accommodate the words, this sutram is that. If you see any word where it has become look, then we have to say it is Bagulam. Tat Purushe Kriti Bagulam. Suppose if it has not become aluk, sorry, if it has not become look, if it is aluk, and aluk, among the aluk in the 631 section, no sutras cover that aluk, but here Saptamyaga aluk bhavati, then how do you accommodate? By this sutram, Tat Purushe Kriti Bagulam. See, Stambe Ramaha or Karne Japaha, if you take, two words are that, Karna and Japa. Karna plus Ni. Karna plus Ni, Japa plus Su. Now, when you form Samasa, what we do? You have to drop the Supadhatu Pratipadikyoho, look bhavati.
Look.
Karna Japa should only come. What makes you that Ni Pratyaya, what makes you Ni Pratyaya to be a look? That must be some sutra in 6.3 section, right? Alukuttarapade. No sutras are there except this sutra. Suppose if this sutra is not there, then no sutras are there, which allows the need to be aluk. And if you come across the word karne japaha, then you have to understand it is 6.3.14. If this sutra is not there, suppose if the sutra is not there, samasa should be karna japa only. But karna japa, there is no such word. It's not a proper word. In the language, it is only karne japaha only, not karna japaha. So, to accommodate this word, we did the sutra. Bagulam, Tat Purushe Kruti Bagulam. You understand what I'm saying? If this sutra is not there, Tat Purushe Kruti Bagulam not there, then the samasa would be karna japa. But karna japa, the word is not a proper word, not shuddha. Karne japaha only it is there. And karne japaha cannot be formed. Samasa cannot be formed if this sutra is not there. Therefore, this sutra, because of Bagulam, it accommodates the formation of the Saptami Tatpurusha with Aluk. Understand?
This Karna here means yes or something else.
Here only. Karne japaha.
Then
Here
it won't be covered by that 6.3.12. Then
it won't be covered by 6.3.12. 6.3.12. Yeah, that's Swa Angat. Swa Angat, yes. Can Swa Angat, it becomes Aluk, right? More possible. It can cover there also. Yes. Karne Japaha. Yes, it can cover. Karne japaha can cover there also. Possibilities. Possibility is there. Yes. You're right. There also it can come. But anyway, and here because it's a kridanta, it is given specifically here.
Okay, Japaha is Kritanta. Okay.
The kridanta. There any word except the word kama. Right? That's
Yeah.
sutram except the word kama. Of course, kama is also kridanta only. That's okay. But any other word except kama can be the uttarapada. Okay, therefore, you can understand the importance of this sutram, tat purushe kriti bahulam. Had the sutram be not there, then you cannot form karne japaha. Karne japaha cannot be there. You will have karna japaha only. But karna japaha is ashuddha word. You know, it is not there in the language. Karne japaha only it is there. Stambhe ramaha only it is there. So therefore, we required tat purushe kriti bahulam. Also, kurushu charaha. Here, it is because bagulam is there. Bagulam accommodates saptamyaha aluk. And then you may ask, here also should become aluk. No. Such possibilities also is there. There where saptamyaha luk api bhavati, that is why bagulam is there. The mentioning, the usage of the word bagulam accommodates both look as
Okay,
well as
that's why
aluk.
given Nacha Bhavati. That means
Nacha bhavati never happens. That is what na bhavati. That is aluk na bhavati. It means luk bhavati.
okay.
So saptamyaha luk bhavati eva kuru charaha. You cannot say kuru. What is that saptami of kurau? Is kurushu. Kurushu is saptami. Kurushu charaha you cannot say, or ekavachanam or bhagavachanam, whatever it may be. You cannot do. There is no word. You cannot say even kurushu charaha becomes the vigraha vakya of kuru charaha. So there it has to become look only. Here it is aluk only. So that is possible because of this sutram. So when the uttarapada is a kridanta and the purvapada is in saptami vibhakti, then the aluk of the saptami enjoys bhagulatvam. Okay, that is what the sutram says. By the sutram we can accommodate all these words. Okay, tat purushe kriti bhagulam. Understand this sutram?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, then I'll write it later. I will explain this sutra and move on. I will type in my notes later. Otherwise, it takes time. I have to complete certain things. This sutra as well as the next one. Quickly we'll do it. You can see. The next one is simple. Pravrit Sharat Kala Divam J. J is what vibhakti? You can see J is Saptami. So J from the G only, right? G. From G only you are getting J. Okay, then Pravrit, Sharat, Kala, Div. Therefore, the words are the Pravrit, Sharat, Kala, Div. So, if these words are followed by Ja, then what will happen? What is Ja is? J is a okay, Saptami Bhakti. What is Pratipadikam?
G is
G.
Ja.
Ja. If it is G, what will happen? Jau, right? Hari.
Jau.
Haro. Jau it should be, not Jau.
Sakaranta should be.
Therefore, it is Akaranta. Pratipadikam is Ja. Like
Ja.
Rama Shabda. Rama, Rame. Ja, J. If it is G, then become Jau. It is not Jau. J. So therefore, Ja.
Ja follows.
Ja follows. Right? Ja follows. Jayate iti Jaha. Simple.
Okay.
Jayate iti Jadatu. Right?
Yeah.
Jadatu. Jayate iti Jaha. You add the Prutpratyaya, that Akara is dropped. Ato Lopaha will happen. Then Jaha you get Jayate iti. That's for Pankaja. Pankaja. What is Pankaja? Pankaj Jayate. Pankaja. Girija. Girija is Sri Lanka, therefore Girija. Right? So that is a Ja. So Pravrit. So when the Uttarapada is Ja, here also it's a Kridanta only. Okay. And Purvapada is Pravrit Sharat Kala Divam. Then what will happen? Purvapadasya, this Aladanta Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati.
Aluk.
You see the Kashika. Pravrit Sharat Kala Div. Div is Divloka Div, the Div. Iti hetesham je uttarapade saptamyaha aluk bhavati. Pravrit plus what is here she is. What is she? What is she? She is Saptami. Pravrishi Saptami of Pravrit. Don't think something, huh?
Okay.
Don't think Ittagama has come. Not like that. Pravrit. What is the Pratipadikam of Pravrit? Interesting, you know it. In the, you saw recently also in
Yeah.
Adrish, like that one, Pravrish.
Murdanya Shakaranta Shabda.
Shakaranta. Then only it is Pravrishi.
You know Shash Shabda, Shat.
Yeah.
Shat, Shatau. Okay, that is only Bhagavachanam, not Shat. It is some other, not the wrong example. Takaranta Shabda, like, Mudani Shakaranta Shabda. Pravrish itself you take, that itself is there in the Shabda Manjari. Okay, you can see that Murdanya Shakaranta Shabda, Pravrish. You know that it becomes Jalanjashante become Dhakara, then Vavasana become Pravrit. So Pravrid or Pravrit, two forms will be there. Pravrish, Murdani Shakaranta Shabda. When you decline, Pravrish plus Su, then Su Lopaha Bhavati, right? Follow what I'm saying?
Yes, yeah.
So Pravrish, Murdanya Shakaranta Shabda. Please check your Shabda Manjari, this must be there. Su, I'm just doing Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then it will become Pravrish plus Sakara. Sakara goes away by Algiyabhyam, that Sutram. Dirghasutisya Pruktamal, this goes away. Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya goes away. You will have Pravrish. Pravrish is a Padam and Shakaranta. Therefore, it's a Jal letter. Therefore, Jalanjashvante you will have Pravrid. And you can apply Vavasana. You will have Chartva Adesha, Pravrit, right? This is how you get Pravrit. Similarly, other Shabda also you can understand. Now, Saptami of this will be Pravrishi. Pravrish plus Ni, what will happen? Pravrishi. So Pravrishi, that's what he says. Pravrishi Jaha Ya Saptamyaha Kim Bhavati? Aluk Bhavati. Similarly, Sharad. Tasya Saptami Rupam Sharadi. Sharadi Jaha, that which is born in Sharad Rutu. Suppose Sharad, you can say Sharadi Jaha. Similarly, Kala, Kale Jaha. Kale, in time, maybe in time is born, possible. Divi Jaha, born in the Divi, Swargaloka, Divi Jaha. So all these words can be formed. Where Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati. Okay. Purvasya evam ayam. Okay, leave it. This is what it is. So these are the words. Pravrish Jaha, Sharadi Jaha, Kale Jaha, Divi Jaha. So when this happens only when Ja follows. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
dear.
Only for these words. Next one. With this I will stop this quickly. Vibhasha Varsha Kshara Shara Varat. Varsha, this is Panchami. Therefore, this must be what? Purvapadam. Simple. Panchami. So Varsha Kshara Shara Vara iti etebhyaha uttarasyaha saptamyaha. J comes as anuvritti. When J is for Uttarapada, then Vibhasha optionally saptamyaha aluk bhavati. Therefore, Varshe Jaha or Varsha Jaha. Similarly, Kshare Jaha, Sharajaha, Share Jaha, Sharajaha, Varajaha, Varejaha. Only with these words, optionality given. When these words are the Purvapadam, then Saptamyaha aluk bhavati vibhasha vikalpena. Okay. So this what the sutra is. This, it may, why here you can ask, the Ja is there very well. Why don't you accommodate in Bahulatvam? This 6315, they are giving specific rules for aluk. Specific rules for that is the previous one. The previous one gives specific rules for aluk, negation, specific rules for aluk or negation of aluk. So, which is outside the scope of Bahulatvam. Which is outside the scope of Bahulatvam. It can be covered in Bahulatvam. Why it is given outside, we'll see. We'll see that in the next class. Okay. Anyway, that one, we'll see what is that next class. So up to 6316 we have seen. Next sutra we will see. We'll see in the next class. Okay. So we'll stop here. Any doubts here?
No, Sharaj.
No, Ji. No.
Okay. These two sutras also I will add up here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnad Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. After this, you have to do a lot of homework, exercise. This is only exposure to the sutra. Later, we will see a lot of examples. A lot of examples are there. Then when we do samasa, they got to apply these rules. By application only, we can remember this. Now we are just learning. Samasa, as I said, it's a big thing, big section. We are learning the rules now. Application part will come later. So for that, you have to remember, it means we have to indirectly have to learn again. When we see this, when I refer to the sutra, then you have to come back to sutra. That's why I'm forming a table. Like Chandi chart, we have a table. Similarly, here, simple small table, not simple table, covering all the sutras. So that will be a good support aid for some forming samasa. When we see examples, that time that chart will be useful. I'm preparing not yet over. When we complete, that time I will complete that also. Then we can use that for Tatpurusha, for Bahubhigi, for Dvandva, like that. Okay.
Yes.
Now we are just learning the sutra. These sutras are there. Certain sutras are important. Certain sutras just we are knowing it is there. That's all. Application. Only when we apply, then only we can really understand the samasa. We will have a grip on samasa. Only when we apply it. We will see. We'll do that. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶಿವಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.